Yo, 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 a Green Day baby. I'm so happy to get that YouTube monkey off my back. However, there's still plenty to learn from. But like I always say, it's better to learn from a Green Day than a Red Day. Today was a solid day. We got in, we got green, we got out. I ain't got nothing else to say. Cue the intro. Hello, one, hello, all. Appreciate you for pulling up. My name is Ben Seals, aka Solo Trader of Beneficial Trading, and welcome to the channel. Today was a solid day. We ended the day up $161, green on 2 out of 3 trades. We didn't force anything. We let the market come to us, and we got out when we were supposed to. I can't lie. I've been a little bit anxious starting this YouTube channel, trading in front of the world and such. It's definitely an additional pressure, but I felt like it was something that's needed for anyone who's out there who is thinking about getting started in trading and they see everyone on the internet always winning, always having these big green days. I just wanted to show you a true perspective of how it really is when you get started trading. There's going to be ups and there's going to be downs. The market is going to play with your head. However, you just need to formulate a strategy that's proven to work and have a set of rules that you abide by and don't break them. And just like that, you're able to get started trading in the markets. Now, guys, it's going to be a long road, and I'm not going to lie to you. But here on this channel, you get to watch me as I walk the path to becoming a successful trader. Before we get started on today's Green Day recap, I'm going to ask you to click that like and subscribe button, and in the comment section, leave a comment describing what is the biggest demon that you need to conquer in order to become a profitable day trader. And without further ado, let's trade. All right, let's get it. So this morning we started off at the bell, didn't see any gap and goes. So we sat patiently for looks like about 18 minutes here, and I found something that I like, right? We have this XOM pushing up to its prior day's close, and then we have this bearish 180, this big green candle being taken out by this big red candle. So I saw that, and as it starts dropping here, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart and seeing that it has space to the 200, which is this red line here, and it came down past the 200 on the 2-minute, given this bearish engulfing looking pattern on the 15-minute as well. So I went ahead and jumped in there, knowing that I am in early, expecting it to move up on me and expecting to add as it moves higher. Now I'm going to add right there in the 90s. My average now is 108.86, and my stop is somewhere up here over the whole dollar and the 20. So we're risking about 15 to 20 cents here. As it moves closer to this halfway mark of this down move, plus the 20 moving average, I want to get more short, which means I want to add to my position as it moves up towards this support, this resistance area. As you'll see that we didn't exactly get that. I did get one add higher, which gave me about a 2 or 3 cent price correction. So about a 2 or 3 cent difference in my price there. But if it would have went higher, I could have maybe got 7 to 10 cents a better price, um, which in turn is just more money in my pocket, right? So right now we're looking for the break of this level, this 78 level here, and if we do break the 78 level, then we expect it to go ahead and break these wicks here and move down to the target, which is the 15-minute 200. So you can see there that I did go ahead and add full size there, because I do like this trade. It's in a great location, being under the 200 and under the 20 here, along with being under the 8. Um, Great position, being close to those support areas that I mentioned earlier. So we did go ahead and reach the first two profit targets right around the 50 area, um, and now we're holding 200 shares, two lots at 75. Looking for more down, right? More downwards momentum. Um, it did go ahead and wick off there, so not loving that. However, like I said, one thing that we can learn from is, no, the stop on the rest of this is break even, right? So it's 75. So I did go ahead and jump out there, in the 60s, and you'll see there that I jumped out. I'm gonna jump out the rest of it pretty quickly here, because I don't want it, the same thing that happened from yesterday to happen today. Basically, I missed my stop and end up losing profit. So we don't want that to happen. So I did go ahead and get out earlier than my break even. Now this here is setting up the second trade. We have a wick down here along with 2 wicks up here. So this is essentially a sideways movement, sideways consolidation. I did go ahead and add there, um, with a stop over this candle, and you'll see very quickly that this is the wrong move. This is going to be a losing trade because I'm going to have to stop out here because that was the plan, over 62. I'm gonna have to stop out. Um, but as I'm getting ready to stop out, I kind of noticed that this is in consolidation, with these wicks here is going sideways. Um, so whenever you're trading within a range, you're gonna want to, whichever direction you're going to, you're gonna want to, you know, trade from the top of the range to the bottom of the range. In the instance that we're going short, so kind of want to trade more up here, and get a better average up here. However, now we're breaking through that range. So if we can break the low of this bottom and tail here, then we have room for the momentum down to the 200 moving average on the 15. So now we're just letting the trade work. We do have 200 shares in, which is two lots. I trade lots of 100 shares. Um, and we did go ahead and add another one once it broke the low of this bottom and tail, confirming that we do have downwards momentum. Um, and we're just gonna let the trade work. Put our profit targets out. I am kind of quickly taking profits, as we spoke about yesterday. First trade of the day. I want to stack a win, right? I want to stack some wins, get the YouTube monkey off my back and get a winning day. So um, I am being kind of conservative with my profit taking. Um, like I said, the target was, the 200 on the 15, which is basically 108. So usually I'll be in the 108 15s, the 10s, and the 5s, trying to get out before 108. That's more aggressive, but this is more conservative, getting out in the 20s and the teens. Um, but like I said, I just want to stack a win, right? Want to stack some good profits, and this turns out to be a good trade here. Um, you'll see right there. By the way, we did add right here on this hidden color change here when it moved back up and turned from green to red. We added there, and we're gonna get the rest of that out for about a 10-cent profit, leaving us up about $161.50 on the day. So we ended it there. I did stay in the market for about another 20 to 30 minutes. However, I didn't see anything that was particularly excellent. So I didn't take any more risk. I was happy with my green day and wanted to book a win. So solid day today, ending the day up $161.50. Now there are things that I still can learn from, like for instance, when the second trade that I lost on, um, recognizing earlier that the stock is now ranging, going sideways, and if I'm going to trade it, I need to be at the top of the range, trading downwards. I need to be able to recognize that sooner. I did recognize it. However, I need to be able to see that sooner, so I can build a position while it's ranging, so I can have a better average once the stop actually breaks in my desired uh, direction, which was down in this particular case. But besides that, solid day, solid green day. Glad to have the monkey off my back. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put those questions down below in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can join the Beneficial Trading family. I'm out for today, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Peace.